In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete Etsy seller product listing. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can remove one or multiple listings with confidence. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Etsy. When the results appear, click the official Etsy link to head to the home page. It's a simple step, but it helps ensure you're on the correct site before you do anything with your shop. Once you're on the home page, sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the seller account that manages the shop containing the listing you want to remove. If you have multiple accounts, double-check you're in the right one before moving forward. After logging in, open your account menu and go to Account Settings. From here, you can access the tools related to your shop. If you don't immediately see Shop Tools, look for the Shop Manager area. This is where you'll manage your products, orders, and shop preferences. If Shop Manager doesn't appear, you may be in the wrong account or not signed in as a seller. Within Shop Manager, select the Listings tab from the menu on the left. This page shows all your product listings, including active, inactive, drafts, or expired items, depending on your filters. If you have many products, use search or filters to narrow down the exact listing you want to remove. When you find the listing or listings you want to delete, check the box next to each one. You can select more than one if you're cleaning up multiple items at once. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct listings, because the next action is permanent. At the top of the page, click the Delete button. Depending on your view, it may appear as a text button or include a trash icon. Clicking it will trigger a confirmation prompt so you can review the consequences before finalizing. A confirmation message will appear explaining what happens after you choose Delete Now. Read this carefully. Deleting a listing is permanent, cannot be undone, and removes that product's listing page from your shop. This is different from deactivating a listing, which simply hides it without removing it forever. If you're absolutely sure, click Delete Now. Etsy will process the action and the listing will disappear from your listings page. If you selected multiple items, they'll all be removed in one go, and you may see a brief confirmation that the deletion is complete. That's it. You've permanently deleted an Etsy product listing. If your goal is only to hide an item temporarily, consider using Deactivate instead next time. Otherwise, you're all set, and your shop will reflect the cleanup immediately or within a few moments.